line structure.
Hi,
I'm Mary.
and I'm Adrienne.
Today we are doing our student project for Chemistry 108. By the end of this video, your educational goal will
Not be dancing.
It'll be to learn the Lewis line bond structure the easy way.
Line bond structures. We draw line bond structures to see how atoms are bonded together. When drawing line bond structures, you need to first count the total number of valence electrons. How you do this is simple.
You will be using this textbook during your Chemistry 108 semester. There is a periodic table located on the first page of your textbook. The molecule we are using today is H2O, better known as water. If you look on the first row, 1A through 8A, this gives you the total valence electron levels for each element on the table. We have 2 hydrogen. On the periodic table, it shows that its valence electron level is 1. So that means we need 2. Oxygen shows it has 6 valence electrons. So that gives us a total of 8 valence electrons that we need to use.
Draw the skeleton structure. Attach the atoms together with single bonds. Which is the most symmetric when drawing H2O? If you chose B, you are correct. How many electrons are used in the skeleton structure? Keep in mind that each line represents 2 electrons. If your answer was 4, you are correct.
HOH. The total number of valence electron used is 8. Minus the electrons used in the skeleton, we've used 4. The remaining electrons that need to be added is 4.
Now that we know that we have 4 remaining electrons to be added, we're going to add the remaining electrons as lone pairs as evenly as possible on all atoms except hydrogens. Mary is going to show us where we need to place these lone pairs. Now we're going to check for octets. We need to make sure that there are 8 electrons around all atoms. So Mary, is the octet completed?
Yes, it is.
Okay. In the instance that they are not completed, then we would need to use lone pairs to make double or triple bonds. If needed, we would change lone pairs into double or triple bonds until the octet rule is satisfied for all atoms in the molecule.
Keep in mind that hydrogen and helium are the only 2 that do not need to fulfill the octet rule.